Hi everybody. Today we're going to cook brown rice with chicken and brown rice is very healthy. They're very healthier than white rice. So we're going to cook. Let's go and start cooking. Here's I'm going to turn on the gas. Here we're going to use almost 1 cup of oil. And it's getting hot. Here I have one medium size chopped onion, and then I have over here I have ginger over here, uh, 1 tablespoon, and garlic 1 tablespoon, one jalapeno or any green chili, and 1 tomato chopped. And then here I have 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili, hot, extra hot, whatever you guys like it, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add all the onions in the pan, and we're going to start frying them. When they get a little bit brown, so then we add tomatoes and green chili and garlic and ginger. So let it get red now. It's getting brown right now, so we wait. Okay guys, the onion is almost brown. So what are we going to do? We're going to add all that stuff. Mix up. And now we're going to add all the spices. Okay. We just cook them a little bit, and they're almost ready to. We're going to now I'm going to add chicken in there. I have a chicken breast, which is almost 3 pounds, 3.5 pounds. So I'm going to put it in there, and we fry that breast also with that masala. We fry that chicken for a couple of minutes with that masala, and then we're going to show you the rice. Okay, here's the rice. We have brown rice right here, and it's already washed and cleaned. So I'm going to put that in the electric cooker and need more water in there. Okay, so this one has that much water in there. Now we're going to put all our chicken masala whatever we made. So it is right here. It's already fried chicken and masala is ready to put it in there. So I'm going to add in all that. Okay, here you go. Okay, we already put everything in there. Now it's almost ready to cook. That much water you guys have to keep it in there with the rice. So I'm gonna put the lid on and we'll start cooking. It will take 15 minutes. We always keep it for 15 minutes. Rice, brown rice, good for 15 minutes to cook, and it's just ready to go. Here you go, it's done. So after 15 minutes, we'll take it out. Okay guys, I think the gas is all out, and you can see the button is down. So I'm going to take the lid off. And now we're going to take the dish out. Okay guys, it looks like everything's done. It's looking so good. So I'm going to dish out right now. So let's do it. Looking so delicious. It will be a little bit not too much spicy, because I used very little spices, which is just for taste, and you guys can use as much you guys want, but that when you cook rice with the cooker, they should be a little bit spicy. So here you go, those are out, and that's ready to eat now. Okay guys, I hope you guys will like my recipe today, brown rice with chicken, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and I'd be very thankful. And be safe, be healthy. Bye bye. You guys see today's brown chicken with rice recipe. So it is very easy to cook.